In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an account on oyorooms.com. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your browser and search for OYO Rooms. What you then want to do, you want to go to the first website that says oyorooms.com. OYO, India's best online hotel booking site for affordable stays. And what you want to do, you want to hit this website and then go all the way up to see login/sign up. Hit this. And if you want to sign up, you have to enter your phone number to continue. So I live in the Netherlands, so I have to find my country code. So if you live in India, you can just leave it on India, but I have to find the Netherlands first, which is down here. As you can see, the Netherlands. Then enter your phone number because that's necessary for the safety. I'm going to do that right now. Then hit verify number. And now they're going to send you an SMS to your phone number, and you have to put the enter 4-digit passcode into here. So enter your name, which is Ryan, email ryanwilson1509@gmail.com, just like that. And then password, just enter a password, and then put in the 4-digit passcode. So for me it's 1342, but you have to check your phone if it's right. So then when you did all of this, hit sign up, and now you successfully made an OYO Rooms account. So now you can book any OYO Rooms hotel in India. So that's how you have to do it. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.